If your septic tank fills up super fast and the water level stays high, it's probably your drain field acting up and not doing its job right. So, here's the lowdown. First off, if your septic tank got full in just a week, that means the wastewater isn't flowing out like it should. Usually, the water level inside the tank should stay just below the inlet pipe. That's the spot where the wastewater comes in from your house. If it's higher, that's a red flag. One thing to check is whether the pipes leading from the tank to the drain field are clogged or damaged. Sometimes old pipes made from materials like Orangeburg can collapse or get blocked, which kills drainage. Also, those junction boxes can cause trouble if their covers are broken or sunk in, trapping water and messing with flow. A smart move is swapping out any old pipe for 4-inch PVC, which holds up way better and helps everything flow smoother. If you're handy or know someone who can dig around for you, fixing these parts yourself can save you thousands compared to replacing the whole drain field. Keep an eye on those water levels and smell around for any funky odors. That usually means there's a backup brewing. One of the biggest mistakes is ignoring signs that your drain field isn't draining properly, which leads to water backing up in the tank and potential system failure. Fix this by regular inspections and prompt repairs. Another common issue is using outdated pipes like Orangeburg, which deteriorate over time and block flow. Replacing them with durable 4-inch PVC pipes solves this problem. Lastly, broken or caved-in junction box covers often get overlooked but cause big drainage problems. Swapping those covers out quickly keeps your system working right. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle septic system repairs and upgrades. Contractors also find great opportunities there to grow their business by reaching homeowners who need their services.